here we are at Pendennis Point, and I'm pointing the camera down because if I point it up, look what we can see. It's a cruise ship, and it looks like it's just leaving port. So we've actually got, let's quickly move down. This is all about being in the right place at the right time. Ah no, this is not, okay, it's not what I think it is. So for anyone who's been on a cruise, will know right, okay, a little major disaster there because my camcorder battery went flat. Luckily, I'll keep spare. So here we go. So this little boat has just come from a cruise ship. So what's happening here is the cruise ship is docked just out there. We've got the lifeboats hovering about to make sure everything's going okay. And basically they're taxiing people to the shore using smaller boats. So let's just come down this side. It's a shame that they're actually docking on the other side of the boat, the other side of the cruise ship, so we can't see that. There is a boat just gone out there. I'm just coming down to this side so we can see the boats. So the camera I'm using now, the image stabilisation is not quite as good as my new camera. So there we go, it's probably about 50 people on that boat who've been taxied in. Well, they're probably going back to the boat now actually, given that it's like 5 o'clock. So if we wait around for a little bit, we should see that boat come back. See how close we can get in on it. It's creating a bit of a wake, isn't it? It's a little bit windy, so so anyway, there she goes. Off to collect some more passengers. So let's see if we can zoom in and get a name for this vessel. It's a little bit bright. MSC UNICEF. Does that mean? Don't quite understand that. I suggest maybe they support UNICEF. Radar on the top there. You can see that even when the boat's stationary, it's still drinking lots of fuel. All those cabins powered. Second radar on the top there. There's two more there. Lots and lots and lots of cabins. That's got to be a good 250, 300 foot boat. Aha. Can we get a name? Is there a name there? Fantasia. Let's see if we can get some more info on that later. MSC Fantasia. Let's see, emptying out lots of water. Falmouth lifeboat. It's just out there, just patrolling. Dwarfed by this massive boat. Look at that. So it looks like a bulk carrier. So yeah, another bulk carrier over there. Probably an oil tanker maybe. So there's one of the taxis. It's just appeared out of nowhere. It's come from the other side of the boat, from where it's launched. Let's see where it goes. So what we normally do is set up a little temporary jetty on the other side, a little platform. Boats pull up alongside it, and then people can get on and off those boats nice and safely. So just sitting still at the moment, can't tell if there's any people on board. Let's try and go in a bit closer. So yeah, so that one's empty. So could we be about to see it all back on the boat? Yes we are. Very slowly being lifted out of the water. This is where they're going with that to. Difficult to tell, isn't it? I can't imagine it just hangs off the side of the boat. Further it's got to go. It's going to go up to the top, do you think? Well, there's the crane. See the crane arms. There's another taxi just appeared. That's come from the side. So there's a third taxi to return to the vessel. Well, it's already hooked up. That's where the taxis are, look. That's the lifeboats all the way over there. And just at the back, there's the taxis, those are the ones that just got lifted up. fitted up in this week. It's an efficient operation, isn't it? And up she goes. Looks like a sightseeing vessel. Lots of people on board. Coming up to have a look at the cruise ship. It's good timing because we're going to get to see one of the vessel's taxis getting lifted out of the water and pulled up onto the deck. I assume that's the promenade deck. That's the deck that the Titanic chose to keep clear in favour of having lodgeboats. So you can see lessons have been learnt now. You can see a few people on deck there waiting to receive the boat. This is not something you get to film every day. For anyone who's been on a cruise ship, probably would have experienced going to shore on one of these boats. I went to one on a cruise ship. We stopped in Vietnam. You need to go ashore on these taxi boats. Of course, when you're on the boat, you don't get to see these taxis get lifted into the water or anything like that. It's all kind of done in sort of a cordoned area, so it's very difficult to actually see them doing this. So it's a bit of a rare opportunity to video something like this. I'm trying to keep an eye on the to my side there, because there is another taxi that's due to come back to the boat. Oh, slightly distracted because if you can see, always lots of boats coming and going. Heading back into harbour after a day out. And my boat taxi is back on the cruise ship. There we go. So up there we can see Pendennis Castle. Loads of World War II fortifications, gun placements. I'm going to come down here and do a proper video on those, but my drone battery is dead because I've been out filming Martin Jennings' run. You also notice that the water has stopped coming out of the bow. Sneaky suspicion that is wastewater polluting our water. Cruise ships get a lot of bad press for their environmental impact. So the ship, it looks like it's starting to rotate. It could well be it is actually going to leave now. I thought there was another taxi due to come back to the ship, but maybe I wasn't paying attention. It has come back. So he's definitely under power. You can see the thrusters there, helping the boat to turn. In fact, you may not be able to hear it on the camera, but you can definitely hear engine noise now. Can't see any movement on the water at the bow just yet, so it looks like it's still just turning before it takes off. So let's see if we can see any people on there. Yeah, look at all the people. That's where they pilot the boat from. The little outriggers there, so they can see down the side of the boat. Here we go, there's that taxi. So yeah, it's definitely got people on board. Yeah, so it looks like the rotation of the vessel is simply due to the fact it's at anchor. And yeah, the taxi disappears on the other side. And there's a little local pleasure boat. All those people come to have a look. I'm sure they've got some pretty cool video as well. Yeah, that boat's turning loads now, isn't it? You can actually see some water disturbance. So it looks like it is actually manoeuvring itself. So now the ship's got a better light on it. We can actually see where this other vessel is going to be lifted onto. Lots and lots of people. So it's going to be... I got a feeling it's not going to be lifted over this side. So you've got 3 there. I can't see. There's not 4. For another one there. That's one of those boats. no gaps, so I wouldn't mind betting that taxi that's just come back to the ship will be lifted onto the other side. So unless the boat turns around significantly, we're not going to see it. So I think we're going to do, I'm going to end the video there. So if you have enjoyed that one, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.